Ever wondered, can you connect a domain to ZenBusiness? If you're starting a new business or looking to professionalize an existing one, the question of how your online presence integrates with your business formation service is absolutely critical. You've got your brilliant idea, you're forming your LLC, and now you need a home for your business on the internet. That's where your domain name and website come in. But how seamlessly does ZenBusiness, a popular platform for business formation, handle this crucial step? Let's dive in and demystify the process. For any business, a domain name isn't just an address. It's your brand's digital storefront, its identity, and often the first point of contact for potential customers. Imagine trying to find a physical store without an address. It'd be impossible. The internet is no different. Your domain name, like yourbusinessname.com, guides people directly to your online presence. Without it, you're essentially operating in the digital shadows. Now, why is ZenBusiness relevant here? ZenBusiness is known for making the complex process of forming a business, particularly an LLC, surprisingly straightforward. They offer various services to help entrepreneurs get started and stay compliant. As part of their offerings, they understand the importance of an online presence, which naturally brings us to domain names and websites. So, to answer the burning question, yes, you absolutely can connect a domain to ZenBusiness. In fact, ZenBusiness offers services that directly facilitate this, making it a more integrated experience for new business owners. They recognize that setting up a legal entity and establishing an online presence often go hand in hand. Let's break down the different scenarios and how ZenBusiness helps you bridge the gap between your legal business entity and your online identity. First, if you're starting from scratch, ZenBusiness offers domain name registration services. This means you can search for and register your desired domain name directly through their platform. It's convenient because it keeps everything under one roof, simplifying the initial setup process. When you're in the whirlwind of forming a new business, anything that consolidates tasks is a huge plus. ZenBusiness provides an easy-to-use search tool to check if your preferred domain name is available, and they handle the registration and secure hosting for you. This means you don't have to go hunting for a separate domain registrar, which can save you time and potential headaches. They even offer domain privacy to help protect your personal information, which is a valuable addition. Once you have your domain name, whether you registered it through ZenBusiness or elsewhere, the next step is connecting it to a website. ZenBusiness has its own website builder, which is a fantastic resource, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy or don't want to hire a web developer from the get-go. Their website builder is designed to be user-friendly, often featuring drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-designed templates tailored for various business types. If you build your website using the ZenBusiness website builder, connecting your ZenBusiness registered domain is a seamless, often automated process within their dashboard. It's a click or two, and your domain is pointed to your new site. This integration ensures a smooth transition from forming your business to launching your online presence. But what if you already have a domain name registered with a different provider, like GoDaddy or Namecheap? Or perhaps you've built your website on another platform like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. ZenBusiness understands that not everyone starts their journey with all their services under one provider, and they've built their system to accommodate this. If your domain is registered elsewhere, ZenBusiness provides clear instructions on how to point your existing domain to their name servers. This usually involves logging into your current domain registrar's account, finding the DNS, domain name system, settings, and updating the name servers or specific DNS records, like name or records, to those provided by ZenBusiness. While it might sound a bit technical, ZenBusiness offers step-by-step guides and often has support teams available to walk you through the process if you encounter any difficulties. It's a standard procedure in the web world, and ZenBusiness makes it as accessible as possible. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, so patience is key. Similarly, if you're using an external website builder, you would generally follow the instructions provided by that website builder on how to connect your domain. Then, if your domain is registered with ZenBusiness, you would modify the DNS records within your ZenBusiness dashboard to point to your external website's hosting. Again, ZenBusiness provides the tools and support to make these connections happen. Their goal is to empower you to get your business online, regardless of where your various online assets are hosted. Beyond just the technical connection, ZenBusiness also emphasizes the broader integration of your domain with other business tools. For instance, they offer business email addresses that use your custom domain name. Instead of a generic Gmail or Yahoo address, you can have yourname@yourbusinessname.com. This instantly adds a layer of professionalism and credibility to your communications, which is invaluable for building trust with clients and partners. This business email service integrates directly with your ZenBusiness account and your registered domain, creating a cohesive and professional online identity. The benefit of these integrated services from ZenBusiness is primarily convenience and simplification. When you're launching a new business, you're juggling 100 different tasks. Having a platform that can handle your business formation, domain registration, website building, and professional email all in one place can significantly reduce the complexity and stress. It streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on developing your products or services and less on the technical intricacies of getting online. In essence, ZenBusiness acts as a central hub for many of the foundational elements of your business, both legal and digital. Their support extends beyond just forming your LLC. They aim to provide a comprehensive suite of tools that enable you to establish and grow your online presence effectively. From helping you find that perfect domain name to ensuring it's properly linked to your website and professional email, ZenBusiness simplifies what can otherwise be a daunting task for new entrepreneurs. This integrated approach can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration, letting you focus on what truly matters: building your dream business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.